Hi everyone, been another warm day. Check this out. I had an art teacher in year 12 who said that blue and green should never be seen without something in between. Oh, it's all blue and green, I think, with nothing in between. And it works. Whereas his opinion of my artwork, which was blue and green, was that it didn't work, so therefore it didn't do very well. But anyway, on to more immediate things. Just check out the ceiling again, and I want to show you what's happened in the bathroom, because we have done to the bathroom what is called being tanked, and you'll see it's not the colour scheme, it's not going to be blue, but it is waterproofed. So it's tanking, and it makes that whole shower area completely waterproof. You can see our insert is also waterproofed, and everything's been painted completely waterproofed right through, and starting to take shape. So tomorrow we put another coat of the blue on, another coat of waterproofing, and we're going to put a ceiling on the pergola outside as well. And now, check out my hands and my clothes. I've been working hard, and now I'm going to cook dinner. So let's go down to the barbecue. You can see we're all set up here with a scaffold to do the ceiling in the morning, but I'm going to have to move a few things because I need to get into here. So I'll just take a few moments and I'll be right back with you. Well, here we are, all set to go. As you can see, tonight we're doing blue grenadier, and I'm really exotic. I've got frozen chips, and I've got a screwdriver and a chisel. So it's going to be an interesting meal. Let's start off with some olive oil on the plate. Spread that around. Start off by putting the frozen chips on because they will take just a bit longer than the fish. So get them going. Maybe a bit more than that. Got 2 people to feed tonight. Me and Jenny. So that's probably enough. And I'll wait a couple of minutes and I'll put the fish on, and then I'll put the screwdriver and chisel on. Maybe not the screwdriver and chisel. Okay. Alright, give that a couple of minutes and I'll be right back. One ingredient I forgot to show you was zucchinis out of the garden. I'm going to chop them up and throw them in with the chips. So I've got potato chips out of the freezer and zucchini out of the garden. What a mix! One other ingredient, a bit of grated onion. Gotta do this left-handed. Whoa! Oh. Yeah, you can see I'm right-handed. Okay. Right, mix that in a bit. Keep that cooking. I'll just turn the barbecue down a little bit, get rid of that, and now time for the fish to go on. Bit of preparation. Yes, Jenny. Some more ingredients. Oh, okay. And now We've got frozen, plus garden, plus leftovers. Okay, it's time to serve up the fish. The veggies are all done. Tonight, for your convenience, we're serving everything on a plank. Just make some room there, get the electrical connections out of the way, and the Murbu decking, and one piece of fish for me, and one piece of fish for you, with a little bit left over for whoever else is here. I better do the right thing. It does look good. Alright, I'll just keep the salad to one side, and I'll serve the rest of the veggies and clean up the barbecue, sort out the planks, check out the saw, have a look at the ceiling. It's all looking good. Go and turn on the TV, watch a bit of Nikita. Okay, see you later, guys.